Hello, everyone. This is Mr. Masonet, and what we're going to do today is solve a compound probability problem. So let us go ahead and get started. The problem reads, what is the probability of randomly selecting a red or green marble on the first pick and a red or green marble on the second pick? The first marble is not replaced. Express your answer as a fraction. All right, let's break this down. We're dealing with two events. The first event is selecting a red or green marble with the first draw and selecting a red or green marble with the second draw, knowing that the first marble is not replaced. Now, we have 10 marbles in total. Out of these, 5 are red and 2 are green. So there are 5 plus 2 or 7 favorable outcomes for red or green with the first pick. Therefore, the probability of this happening would be 7 out of 10 chances. All right, after the first pick, 1 marble is removed and not replaced. This changes the total number of marbles to 9. If the first marble picked was red or green, then only a total of 6 red and green marbles remain. The probability of picking a red or green marble with the second draw is 6 out of 9 chances. Now, since the two events happen sequentially and the first marble is not replaced, we multiply the probability of each event together. The product of 7/10 and 6/9 is 42 out of 90, which can be simplified to 7 out of 15. So the probability of selecting a red or green marble on the first pick and the second pick without replacement is 7 over 15, which is a little bit less than half. All right, I hope this video on probability was helpful and made things just a bit clearer. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey, I just want to say thanks for checking out this video. Please don't forget to hit that subscription button and enable notifications so you can be informed as I upload new content to my channel. Until next time, this is Shane Masonet with Masonet Math.